Uh, IRyS. It's IRyS. Ohio. Ohio. I wasn't snacking. I was drinking something. Wait. Good morning. Yeah, I was working on stuff late at night yesterday. That cutie clip. Oh yeah. It's never going away. I forgot, but I think it's cute, so it's okay. Okay. So how are you guys doing? Sorry for the wait. I woke up I barely woke up 15 minutes ago, around 15 minutes ago. And I said 10 minutes, but I ended up taking 15. Sorry. But here I am in the flesh. Oh, oops. I just make sure my controller's working. Okay, Otsukaresama, arigatou. Arigatou. Okay.